sketching on a big piece of paper so I can see all the fixing points. And this is, as I've been told, called Polaris, and it's quite good, I think, because you can see all the fixing points and get everything sorted out. Here you can see the fixing point to the dirt bike, and also the mono shock is coming down here. So that's one. So this is how I think it should be looking like. Well, now I've done a lot of reinforcements to the skid and also fixing points for the coilovel there, and the lever I'm gonna hold the skid in position. And yeah, you can see it here in my sketch. So I will use this low-cost bushings, and I will also make this very simple with just this standard bearings. This is for 2 skids, and but this is a tedesled style trackband, and I started to make some sketches how I planned to make it, but turned out to be too many measurements to keep in mind, so I made a sketchy-like drawing on CAD. So now we're gonna start to welding things together. Got the bearings, and I see now this will not be any good, because this will come too close to the snow and the ground, so I must do this another way. I must turn the bearings into this direction and move this fixing point up. It's gonna be around here, and then I will move this one up here. Then I will have almost the same geometry for the support frame of the skid. So cut things apart again and redo. Okay, part number 1 in this do-it-yourself easy trackband construction. I only use a grinder and drilling machine and a welder. I had to send the drive shaft to a workshop nearby. The same guy has always helped me, Penne in Söderberge. And that's the only thing that's going to be machined, except for the sprockets. Next step in this build is to disconnect the rear end of the dirt bike, and I'm gonna extend these 160 millimeters and do the fixing points on the swing arm on the dirt bike. And then I'm gonna put the coilover from the dirt bike is gonna be fitted here. So I have this suspension on dirt bike, and then this small suspension here is gonna do the trackband. So I just make a short roundup on this one, and then I see you in the next movie of the building of the trackband. But it's gonna be after Christmas, because it's too much family business now. So welcome back. The rear end is from Rocky Mountain King, Polaris. And here you can see the reinforcements of the skid. And here is the fixing points for these levers. And this is the framework is going to be fitted to the dirt bike. And here is also the gearing for the chain coming from dirt bike. And it's going to be on this side down to the drive shaft on this trackband.